Hi friends, welcome to Tech Touch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Windows update not installing error code KB5050188 in Windows PC. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, you have to go Windows setting, then click on troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshoot. In this you can see here Windows update. Click on run. It will take some time. After completion, close this window. Go to the disk clean. Open this option. Then select here C drive. Then click on OK. In this, select temporary files, recycle bin, DirectX, delivery, then click on OK, then click on delete all files. After doing this, close this window, go to the services, then search here Windows installer. You can see here, right click on this, click on properties, then select here automatic on startup type, then press on start. After doing this, close this window, then search Windows Update. You can see here Windows Update, right click on this, click on Properties. In this you select Automatic, then click on Apply, click on OK. After doing this, close this window, go to this command prompt, right click on command prompt, click on Run as Administrator, click on S to apply. Then type here sfc /scan now. Then hit enter. This will take some time. Wait for completion. After completion, close this window. Then again open command prompt. Right click on command prompt. Then click on Run as Administrator. Then type here some command. This all commands available on my video description. Copy and paste. Copy first command, then paste here, then hit enter. Here also takes some time. Copy and paste all three commands one by one. After doing this, once you restart your PC or laptop, fixed your problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.